What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. I know I usually review tech. I mean, technically this is technology, but this isn't a keyboard, this isn't a headset, this is nothing. So we're going to be reviewing the CO gas alarm, which was sent to me by this company that wanted me to review it. I did open it, I did look at it, and I believe it's on, just because once you turn it on, you can't turn it off. But what this does is it's basically a carbon monoxide tester. As you can see, CO gas alarm. So right here on the box, you see PMMA services with aluminum alloy frame, real-time displays, CO value and battery power, electrochemical sensor made in Japan, monitor and record the peak CO value, button battery, easy to remove. I think there's 2 of them, actually. Audible and visible alarms in 3 different levels. So up here, and then on the back, you got all this other information. We got static working. I don't know what any of this means. I'm not a scientist. I can build a computer, and that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to test it. And my car is actually leaking carbon monoxide, from what I know, from the exhaust due to an exhaust leak. So we can test that out just to confirm to see if this works. That's the only way I can test it. Otherwise, there we go. All right, so now we just pull this tab, open her right up. I bet you she's still on. Yeah, she's still on. That's all right. The 2-button batteries will probably last a while before you have to worry about anything. So this is what the device looks like. You can hang it on your mirror. You can adhesive it to the vehicle, which I might do to my car. Honestly, you could put this inside. It doesn't need to stay in your car. I think it's really designed for cars. You got car, truck, aircraft, tent, and furnace. So if you're in your tent and you have a furnace in your tent and you want to know the carbon monoxide level, this would be a good test for that. So, I mean, there's not really much to this device other than the fact that it's got a chain, a screen, a battery level, and a power button. So this is the device. I'm not sure. I think these are sensors on the bottom. Like I said, I'm not really familiar with this kind of technology. It's cool. It's interesting. I don't know what it is. I'm going to take this out. So right here on the back, we got the battery cover, the beeper, which will beep at you when the carbon monoxide level gets dangerous and or to the point where you probably want to evacuate the premises. I think that's a button. I'm unsure what that is. But as you can see, you got a screen. You click that. It's going to tell you max, I guess. There is instructions which we can look at. So here's the instruction booklet. You get vehicle, CO gas alarm. You got display, max indicator value, max value indicator, power button, alarm indicator. So this will blink. This red one will blink when the alarm's going off. You got a buzzer hole, so that's for the buzzer. That's what that is for. And then this is the sensor, which is where the carbon monoxide will be detected. You got 2 times batteries in there. Obviously the gas alarm thingy. It is designed and developed to detect CO gas inside the vehicle. If the carbon monoxide gas inside the vehicle is higher than the alarm value, it'll alarm you both by sound and light to avoid health damage and to your best assistant for human body. To be your best assistant, interesting way they worded that. So basically, if I put this in my car and it beeps a lot, then I've been driving basically a ticking time bomb, but that's fine. Yeah, so this is the device. As I said, I can't really test it in here. There's not really much of a way to do it. I can put it by my exhaust. Maybe it'll do it. Maybe it won't. We can try it in the car as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and head outside and give this thing a test. Alrighty, guys, we're in my car now. We're in my 2008 Subaru Legacy. The exhaust, I'll show you guys. You'll laugh. Anyway, we got the carbon monoxide tester in the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and test it in the car to see if it works. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. We are going to have to give it a minute because it's loud. Don't judge. Loud car. I doubt it's going to do anything now. Just because of the just because I started it. This is the thing where you want to like leave it in your car, let your car run for a bit, and then, you know, confirm that it's got any carbon monoxide. Which honestly, it might just be a good thing that it's still 0. I'm going to assume there's no carbon monoxide in this car. Like I said, this is a device that you kind of got to leave in your car for a bit before it'll actually like do anything. Like I said, you can hang it up here. You can hang it. Put it in your dash. It'd be kind of annoying there. You could really put it anywhere. I might stick mine to like up here or something, just somewhere where it'll be seen. That way if carbon monoxide does start leaking into the vehicle, then I can do that way. You can also put this in your house. Like I said, it's not required to have it in your vehicle, but it is designed for the car. So we're gonna go outside real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna put it near the exhaust to confirm that it works, because there is an exhaust leak, so I'll know if the tester is working. Alright, guys, so we are under my vehicle. Still have 0. I do have to talk a little louder. As I said, my exhaust is not happy. I had to weld it to try to fix it, but it didn't really work. Anyway, it's just, yeah, I'm not really sure why it's not activating. It's probably a good thing it's not activating, but usually what it's going to do is it's going to measure it in this measurement, which is going to be ppm. I'm unsure of the actual term. It's going to measure it, and then it's going to either beep or blink at you if it's too high or unhealthy. What I'll do is I'll leave it in my car for a few days, and I'll keep you guys updated to confirm, like, if my car is leaking, which I'm like positive it's not, but you really never know these days. So yeah, that's the carbon monoxide tester. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I apologize I couldn't get it to beep for you. I mean, I'm not really sure if I'm even getting any carbon monoxide in here. Yeah, it doesn't look like I am. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.